Have you ever wondered why two videos with the exact same number of views can make drastically different amounts of money? Imagine this. One video with 280,000 views earns just $960, while another video with the same view count rakes in a whopping $4,600. That's 5 times more money.
Yeah, boy.
The reason for this difference isn't luck. It's the niche. If you're just starting out on YouTube, it might seem unfair. You put in the effort, you get the views, but someone else walks away with 5 times the earnings. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why this happens, and most importantly, I'll show you how you can increase your earnings by choosing the right niche. I'm speaking from personal experience. My YouTube channels earn a $17 RPM, meaning I make $17 for every 1,000 views. Meanwhile, some YouTubers with the same view count might only make $1,000. I'm not here to sell you a course or coaching session. I'm here to help you understand how this works. Let's start with the basics. CPM, cost per mille, refers to how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 impressions on their ad. The more valuable your audience is to advertisers, the higher the CPM. If your content is generic, like talking about the weather, advertisers won't see much value in placing their ads there. There's nothing to sell. But if your content is about something like drop shipping, that's a whole different story. Advertisers know that your viewers are likely trying to build a business, and they're ready to pay top dollar to reach them. For example, companies selling software, hosting platforms, or even business courses are eager to advertise on dropshipping videos because they know your audience is likely to buy what they're offering. This drives up your CPM, meaning more money for you. One of my favorite high-paying niches is software. Why? Because the amount you can make per 1,000 views is mind-blowing. In this niche, I've seen videos hit an incredible $100 RPM. Why does this happen? It's because software companies often operate on recurring revenue models, meaning once they acquire a customer, that customer continues to pay month after month. This gives software companies a much higher customer lifetime value, allowing them to spend more on advertising. Let's take project management software as an example. It's a massive industry with recurring revenue and a customer base that consists largely of businesses, basically a dream for advertisers. A YouTube channel focused on project management could easily attract ads from all the top players in the industry, pushing up CPMs and leading to major ad revenue. Here's a great example. A YouTuber with close to 200,000 subscribers appears to be struggling with just 700 views on her latest video. But don't be fooled. Her channel is all about project management, and she averages 400,000 views per month. Because of her niche, she likely earns over $30 per 1,000 views, meaning her ad revenue alone could be well over $10,000 each month. Don't believe me? Let's check one of her videos. Yep, there it is, an ad from one of the biggest project management software companies in the world. They're paying premium dollars to reach her audience. Another goldmine niche? The online business space. Whether it's YouTube automation, Amazon FBA, or dropshipping, advertisers love this content. Why? Because these viewers are often serious about starting businesses and are willing to invest in software, training programs, and tools to make it happen. As a result, you'll see higher CPMs here too. If you're looking for a niche with a ton of potential but less competition, try finding up-and-coming business models. One example is growth operating. It's still relatively unknown, but early adopters are already cashing in. The finance niche is the undisputed king of YouTube earnings. For example, a finance YouTuber with millions of subscribers. He revealed that he once earned up to $20 per 1,000 views. And when you consider he's had days where he pulls in over 500,000 views, that's a staggering $10,000 plus a day in ad revenue.
Oh my God! Wow!
Finance topics like investing, stocks, crypto, and budgeting tend to attract very high CPMs, and real estate or fintech can be lucrative too. Now that you know which niches can make you more money on YouTube, it's time to take action. Do your research, find a profitable niche, and start creating content that not only gets views but maximizes your ad revenue. And don't forget, views are important, but making sure those views are valuable to advertisers is the real key to YouTube success.